Hello, everyone. Welcome to this mini lecture. In this lesson, we will explore the world of Photoshop. Photoshop, abbreviated as PS, is a renowned image processing software. PS is used everywhere around us. In advertising posters, graphic design, product packaging design, film post-production, photo or image editing, and creative work. In an era where visual creativity is in high demand, mastering PS is essential. This lesson will be structured around 4 sections. 1. Learning objectives. 2. Knowledge map. 3. Introduction to Photoshop CC Workspace. And 4. Summary. The learning objective for this lesson are: 1. Master the method of creating a new canvas. 2. Understand the menu bar and status bar in the PS workspace. 3. Learn the basic presets before using PS. This is the knowledge map for this lesson. 1. Creating a new canvas. 2. Menu bar and options bar. 3. Floating panels and status bar. 4. Presets. Upon opening PS, you'll notice a clean interface. Let's first learn how to create a new PS project. In the upper left corner, under the File menu, you will find New and Open options. New creates a new file. For instance, when we learn how to make posters or other designs, we will use this option. Open opens previously saved or unfinished files. When you click New, a dialog box pops up with options like recent items, saved, photo, print, and more. These options include preset sizes provided by PS. For creating photos or illustrations, use these presets. For a custom size poster not available in presets, adjust the canvas height and width accordingly. At the top of the dialog box, you can name the file, for example, 123, set the width to 1919 and height to 1014 for a rectangular canvas. Then, choose between portrait and landscape orientations, and switching it will automatically change the positions of the canvas's width and height. Leave the resolution and color mode at their default values for now. Also, keep the advanced options as default. Clicking Create will generate a new rectangular canvas, and the file name will appear in the title bar. All design content will be displayed on this canvas. Next, let's focus on the top bar, which is called the menu bar. For example, when we go to a restaurant, the waiter gives us a menu with various types of dishes, such as steamed, fried, and grilled. Each category contains many smaller dishes. The menu bar works similarly. Clicking on it reveals many small commands, which are like the dishes in each category. Below the menu bar is the options bar, which corresponds to the toolbar on the left. When we click on different tools in the toolbar, the options bar changes accordingly. For instance, clicking on the lasso tool changes the options bar. We will introduce the tools in the toolbar in subsequent lessons. Next, let's move our focus to the right side, which is called the floating panels area. For example, you can click and drag the color panel out to make it a separate floating panel. These movable panels are called floating panels. While using PS, you can arrange these panels according to your personal preference. Any panel with a tab, such as layers, channels, and paths, can be floated. If you can't find a specific function, you can look for it under the window menu, which lists all the available tools and commands. If you want to reset the panels to their default positions, you can click Window, then Workspace, and select Reset Essentials to restore PS to its initial layout. At the bottom of the interface, we have the status bar, which allows you to change the zoom level of the view. For example, if it is currently set to 66%, you can change it to 100% and press Enter to switch to a 100% zoom level. On the right side of the status bar, you can see the canvas's width, height, and resolution. After understanding the layout of the interface, let's move on to some basic presets before starting to design. Use the shortcut Ctrl+K to open the Preferences dialog and click File Handling. One important setting here is the automatically save recovery information every option. Setting a time interval here ensures that if you forget to save your work while designing, PS will automatically save your file at the specified intervals. For instance, if set to 5 minutes, PS will save the file every 5 minutes. In addition to this function, you can adjust the appearance of PS under Interface, including changing the cursor color. Other features in the Preferences dialog can be explored on your own. Finally, let's summarize the content of this lesson. The main focus is on creating a new canvas, while the challenge is in setting common presets. In future lessons, we will learn more about how to operate PS, making it easier and more intuitive to use. This concludes the explanation on the PS workspace. Please complete the following exercises and practice more in your spare time to deepen your understanding and improve your skills. That concludes this lesson. See you next time.